So her name right here is Solange. This is her name. And she's very much, I think I done calmed her too much. Like, she is not when I got her out the pack, okay? She is there, bitch. I don't know. I'm looking, debating, like, should I upload this tutorial? Then I tried the curl Synthetica, and she would not curl. Okay, she was just like, I don't know what it's giving, y'all. What is it giving?
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be on this green look right here. I tried my best to work with this wig and the makeup together, but when, I don't know, it's just Synthetica. I'm not here for Synthetica. I love the palette. I love the palette, y'all. Cheap palette. This was like $3.99. Y'all, when I tell y'all, thumbnail. When I tell y'all, this E.L.F stepped their game up with this palette, with these little palettes because I've used 3 of them before, but they stepped their game up because look at my eyes. Like, come on now. Target, drugstore makeup. No, all of this wasn't drugstore makeup, but basically I'm really main focus. My main focus was basically on the shadow. Like, I wanted to see, like, this shadow palette was so pretty. Like, I had to get it, and I had to do a look. I don't know, it was calling my name. Like, baby, do a look on this. It's early in the morning too. I just feel like my time is off for starting these tutorials. I don't want to keep rambling. If y'all want to see how I achieve this pretty green using this $3.99 palette, keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so we got base on. Well, sorry, not base. We got eyebrows on. And I'm about to put my Plouise Base number 2. But I'm just trying to do a, I hope this comes out cute. If you can't get a 142 Zoeva buffer brush, get this brush. This is a Real Techniques 300 brush. So I'm going to double up on the base and I'm going to come right back. Yeah, so this E.L.F palette is called Hot Jalapeños. And I think I'm just going to use this palette. I'm going to go into these 2 colors right here for my transitions. First brush, I'm going to take my medium shader brush. E.L.F definitely is rebranding. They coming up, okay, because who eyeshadows? What drugstore eyeshadows is this pigmented? E.L.F. Now to get in that crease, I'm going to take that second color, which is giving me light. I am impressed. Like, this is crazy. I just picked up this palette in the store and I just had to try it. It was like calling my name. Like, Brianna, if you don't get this. I'm gonna tap this out on that part. Like, I don't know, I just like to fade. We have two shadows. I'm using these last two. Trying to make sure there's no creasing before I go ahead and add this other green. I'm taking my Wet n Wild wing liner, or liner. I keep saying wing liner. I'm doing a wing liner. Wing sharp, baby. Taking that green, and I'm smoking out the liner, or which way this is going. All I know is I'm just blending, y'all. So for lashes, I'm gonna take these. So I apply my foundation off camera, and I'm gonna come back when it's on. I'm gonna take mocha. Use my Pro Filter powder from Fenty. You can tell the difference when I contoured and versus when I did it. So you can tell the cheeks how it's more chiseled from when I did a contour on that side. I do want it to be soft. I was going to take another powder, but I'm just thinking about just taking this. If I'm going to add brown. So I'm gonna with this brown and this black underneath the lower lash line, and I'm gonna smoke it out with this green. This blush from Beauty Bakery. They are quite pigmented too. Nude 3. Yes, I'm using those colors again. I did go and take Luna from Anastasia. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Click that bell button for more notifications when I upload. Y'all don't want to miss them. And I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.